We all want to make a difference. On the Baja Peninsula, Mexico, two artists are making a difference. Clay and ceramic designer Christa Assad and environmental designer Kevin Wickham have joined forces to create a sustainable off-the-grid artist community. The community is a gathering place and retreat where learning and art occur, a place where nature and structures live in symbiotic union.
Hi, I'm Christa Assad, and this is Kevin Wickham. He's busy putting the water ceiling on our future green roof for our artist guest casita. Here in Taller de Terreno, we're excited to announce a 2-year lineup of wonderful artist programming, and by backing us now, you help us ensure that this workshop program and future artist residency program gets off the ground.
Hi, here at Taller de Terreno, we are creating a case study for wellness and sustainability by incorporating the built environment into the natural environment and teaching people how to live more sustainably. All my ideas come from the terrain, and then I move from the terrain to the conceptual model. So you enter here. This is all undercover, under roof. The entrance is up here. It's just a big long gallery that's open on both ends. Kitchen, living room. This is a master bedroom, atrium. The idea is to have living space separated by natural space. Some of it undercover because of the climate where we're at, so you have shade. Stairs are between it, so you can walk down steps. The idea is when you drive in, you don't see anything. Then you walk down the steps, and this is the entry. And you see that dirt patch, the dirt in there? That's where you descend into the house. And you can see.
Our hope is that you'll contribute to this campaign because you support the arts and arts education, or want to attend a workshop in the future on wellness, sustainability, or any of the topics that you see in our upcoming announcements. We do have other incentives for contributing, like sponsoring a local, or meals for a local, or a full scholarship for a student in need. And of course, you can also apply your full value of your donation to your own tuition of any workshop or symposium here in the future. No expiration date.